Hi, I'm Tim Fernholz, and this is the Good Company Project. I'm here in Ludington, Michigan to learn about agriculture. I'm here in an apple orchard, and we're visiting a couple different agricultural co-ops to figure out how good companies bring food to you.
Cherry Central was incorporated back in 1973, and we represent growers throughout the United States. At this plant alone, they actually press about 2 million pounds of apples per week, and that's over an 8-month period.
Our cooperative is owned by many processors who provide us with a variety of inventory that we have to sell for them.
And our challenge is to track that product as it comes into our plant all the way to the end consumer that is serving that at their dinner table.
The amount of paperwork that we were having to do to keep track of the things that were necessary to keep track of was overwhelming. When you take a piece of paper and you take 100 pieces of paper and try and glean information from it, you can't. So we needed a solution to be able to handle that more efficiently, to get information quicker than what we were able to by going through mounds of paper.
IBM is a great partner for mid-sized businesses in the manner in which it has an extremely sizable presence in the marketplace. It has around $5 billion in R&D spend, and as a mid-sized business partner, I'm able to leverage IBM's R&D efforts. Cherry Central wanted to manage their business in a way that would allow them to automate their entire food safety and quality management program.
The mid-range environment of IBM basically has replaced the paperwork that was used to monitor a variety of characteristics within the production environment. It allowed us to really start moving the applications out into the field so that the communication is much more instantaneous and much more reliable. We load shipments, we're aware of it instantaneously, we're able to notify the customers in a very fast and efficient manner. We are able to react with a relatively small number of individuals to do a lot of very difficult, complex, and large tasks.
We partner with IBM today on the Power Systems platform. We work with them on their Blade platform. We work with them on their middleware platform, and we also work with them on their Cognos platform, which is in the analytics field.
At IBM from the beginning, we went from a System 32 to a System 34 to a System 36 and to the AS400 and now the I-Series environment. And the only change has been it's gotten faster and smaller.
If you bring me a jar of applesauce or apple juice that was produced here, I can tell you what orchard it was grown in, what processing plant, when it was processed, and then when it got delivered to the customer.
The fact that we're even able to pinpoint where that product has come from is, something we can do today that we couldn't do back in 1980 or anywhere in between, really.
Anybody, any place in the plant, from management to myself, can look at this and be sure we're in specification and producing a safe product.
We've had customers tell us that they've reduced 80% of their paper usage. We wouldn't have thought 10 years ago that we can make records for food safety electronic, and today they're almost 100% electronic. And that's a huge, huge advancement for the food safety community. And with IBM as our partner, I think we could do great things.
We formed a mission statement 30 years ago. We were going to be industry leaders by supplying our customers with high quality, competitive pricing, and still keep in mind the member grower returns.